Alright guys, today I've got a matching Kenmore washer and dryer set, both electric, and this guy here I've got filling up, heavy jeans and towels load. You see it's in excellent shape, nice, clean, looks really good. Just gonna let it run through its cycle here. We got it on the ultra clean wash cycle, and as it goes through I'm gonna bring it back and let you see that it drains like it's supposed to, and then on the final rinse and then final spin, that it's nice and smooth, has good operation, no weird noises or anything like that. So we'll let this thing get going and we'll come back to it. Okay, we've moved on to the agitation. If you can hear that, but that sound is the agitator working correctly. Nice smooth operation. So I'm going to lift this up. You can actually see it working. So it's doing an excellent job getting those clothes nice and clean. Alright, and it is moving into the final spin. It's draining out that water now, if you can hear that. So you know that drain works good. It's kind of neat here while we're waiting on that to drain. I'll show you. It's got different speed setting, so which is great for delicates. If you got delicates, something you don't want to get agitated real hard, it's really cool. Okay, and now we're up and running at full spin. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this lid up and show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. And as you can see, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. So see, the lid switch works, brings it to a full stop. Close it up, it's going to get back up to speed. So we'll let these finish spinning out the water, and then I'll move these over to the dryer and show you the dryer. Okay, so we've got those clothes pulled out of the washer. You see it's nice, clean, looks good. Let's move over to the dryer. Alright, and I've got those clothes piled into the dryer here. Close that up. We'll just hit it on time dry, high heat, and you can do signal on, signal off, doesn't really matter. Hit go there. I'm gonna do a little touch up on this too, so you'll see in the pictures and the listing that this all looks brand new. So you can see it sounds great. It's a nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you with my heat gun that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Let's kick that on. So whatever I shine those two dots on, it's going to give me the surface temperature. So we'll go ahead and open this up. See, that's moving. We'll shoot it right inside the heating element tube there. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. And so that tube is directly above the heating element itself. So the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95, it'll get all the way up to 195, just depending on how long it's been running and what you have the heat setting on. So there we go, hit go. And you've also got an auto dry setting here, so you can just turn it on auto dry and let it go. It'll do its thing. But there you have it on those. We'll get those listed up, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The washer gets a 28-point inspection. This dryer got a 22-point inspection, and everything has to check out great, perfect, before I list them up for sale. So want to make sure you know when you get them home, plug them in, everything's going to work good. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.